Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to complete your senior exit surveys. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to your philasd account, which is something you've done multiple times, I'm sure. Click on the Message Center button. Once you click on that, that'll take you to this Student Launchpad. You have two places you'll need to go. One is the Surveys icon here, and the other is the Naviance one. So first we'll look at the surveys. If you click on there, that'll take you to a page that looks like this. You'll see two surveys there. One will be the student survey, and the other is the senior exit survey. I want you to complete those. If you are a junior or a sophomore or freshman, you will not have a senior exit survey listed on there, and you'll only be able to complete the student survey. After that, you're going to come back. You'll click on your Naviance survey, or your Naviance button. That will take you over here to your Naviance page. First of all, you want to check and make sure that you have all of your Naviance tasks completed down here. And then you'll go to your About Me tab, My Surveys. And then you can either pick Surveys in Progress, Surveys Completed, or Surveys Not Started. Obviously, if they're completed, they'll be on this page and you'll be all done. But if you click on your Not Started page or your In Progress page, you'll see that you'll still have some surveys there. One is the graduation survey. This graduation survey is designed to help us find out what schools you got into and which ones you didn't, and also to tell us where to send your final transcript. If this survey is not completed, we will not be able to send your final transcript to any school because we won't know where to send it. Northeast Senior Graduation Survey is a survey which will help us to help our program for future years, and we would appreciate you to be as honest as possible on there so we can help out future students. Any questions? Get in touch with us. Thanks a lot.